Today we have with us Mishika ma'am. Mishika ma'am, would you like to give a message to the organizers and all the team owners who are going to bid today for this grand event?
Yeah, hi, this is Mishika Chaurasia. I would like to thank you everyone who has invited me here. It's an honor to be here, and of course it's a big congratulations whoever is doing this event and the participation and everyone. They're really doing their best to be here. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much ma'am. It's wonderful for us that you've come today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening. We have with us Sherlyn ma'am. Sherlyn ma'am, would you like to, give a message to all the players and, the bidders who are going to bid today during the auction and a message to the crowd?
Yeah, all the best to all the players, and I get to know about that girls are also playing,
Yep.
right? So just slay girls. So I always support girls more than guys. Yeah, but yeah, to every players, I just can say like best of luck to all the people, and I guess their match is on 9th May.
Yeah.
Yeah, so best of luck for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much ma'am. We have with us Brinda Shah. Brinda, you've been invited to this grand event. So, would you want to give a message to all the owners and players who are going to be bidding and, for the upcoming tournament that is coming on the 9th?
Yes, so first of all, I am so glad to be a part of this evening today. Thank you so much for inviting me as a guest of honor. And one message I'd like to say is all the best. And I also got to know that the women players are going to be a part of this. So I'm just going to tell them that's late. And I know you're going to give your best.
Thank you so much. Lovely.
Thank you.
We have with us Mr. Kabir Bhalla. Kabir ji, what do you think about the whole concept about B2B, sports and business networking coming together? Like, do you think it will be a successful idea ahead?
I think sports and business goes hand in hand.
Absolutely.
तो काफ़ी अच्छा वो है इसका, काफ़ी अच्छा bond है. And cricket is business and business with fun along is altogether a different game.
Absolutely.
Because games is it's a certain place where you feel relaxed. And you are open to meeting new people, networking. That's, I think, you believe in B2B, right?
Absolutely.
So that's the major part of it. And I think it's a great initiative to take B2B along with cricket, because in cricket, especially in our country, we follow cricket as a religion and people get connected through it. So that's a really great
lovely
initiative.
answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Today we have with us the CEO and founder of Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Ankit Shah. So Ankit Shah, could you explain me how come this idea of B2B came across?
So Prem, we have been playing our regular cricket, which is at our Goregaon home turf.
Yeah.
We have two clubs, which is WCC and FCC, and we have audience of at least 1500 people who is already there. So हम लोग इतने टाइम से खेल रहे थे और we have a lot of networking opportunity which was there. There are a lot of businessmen. तो सोचा इसके आगे क्या? And इसके आगे the B2B has started.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now we have with us the CTO of Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Ashish Sharma.
Hi.
Ashish ji, could you please explain how come the concept of B2B came across and what is the whole concept about?
Well, in today's life, there is no balance of your work as well as your life, right? So we thought that, playing together and doing business together can be a really and disruptor out here in this business of networking as well as sports. So yes, we all guys play sports, we network each other and we grow each other. That's what we are doing.
Thank you so much, Ashish ji.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate
So now we have with us the COO of B2B, Mr. Keyur Shah. Keyur ji, मुझे ये जानना है कि how are you guys going to take this whole concept forward?
Sports. The only thing we are looking forward is sports. We are trying to build a community जो लोगों को स्पोर्ट्स खिलाए, बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्स ही ऐसा है जो एक दूसरे को बांधता है. देयर इज़ अ ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस ओनली थ्रू स्पोर्ट्स. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी, आपस में धंधा दे, बिल्ड अ गुड रिलेशन एंड build a strong sports-led networking community.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Now we have with us the CMO of Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Vineet Doshi. Vineet sir, I know myself that you are a sports fanatic. You are very much into sports. And being the one of the founders of B2B, what are your visions and what sports are you playing? What is the vision? What are you going to do ahead?
So initially we started with cricket.
Okay.
Then we moved on to pickleball and badminton.
we were looking at the Borivali to Andheri area only initially, but now being the Connectivity Cricket Cup is the premier tournament of B2B,
Okay.
and which we are expanding to entire Mumbai. All the players from across Mumbai, owners, everybody are participating in this tournament.
So it's a
So
big
looking forward to this tournament very closely.
thing. Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we have with us the sports committee of B2B.
So currently we are focusing, we'll be focusing one by one, as we are currently focusing on Connectivity Cricket Cup. But in going further, in monsoon, in Ganpati Festival, going ahead in Diwali, we will be having upcoming more tournaments. So stay tuned for that. The respective updates will be rolled out.
So I would say yes, this is the best place where sports is something which will make everyone, each and every business person connect with more on a professional basis, as well as through sports. You know, like they have a brand accommodation, they can acquire their own business promotions, and many people who gather together would get their own brands, visibilities, and everywhere together. So sports is something which will connect everyone at a greater scale, and also it's a best platform to network around.
So coming to the grand event of the Connectivity Cricket Cup, I know that women's are also playing. So this is something different that we are doing this year.
Yeah, this is the first time women's are playing, and there are 3 to 4 teams. 3 to 4
For women's itself? Okay.
Yeah, and mostly everyone are the business profiles.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
So it's a occasion where they can play and connect as well, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. We have with us the title sponsors of B2B, Gokhale and Guria Associates and Ravi Enterprise. So I see that you all have invested in this grand event. So would you be, good enough to enlighten us about your business and talk about it?
So as you know, it's a big platform, and B2B, all my friends are here, and it's a business platform. And for me, one of a different type of steel industry. I supply to forging materials to pharmaceutical industries and oil field equipments. So you get a big platform for here to explore your business, to expand your business. There are many people coming along. So yes, I found a good opportunity to invest over here.
Lovely, lovely. And a message that you all might want to give to us.
So for B2B, we have a good wishes from Gokhale and Guria Associates.
Thank you so much.